Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about the world of fastest crossovers as we take a closer look at the Volkswagen T-Roc R. It's almost surprising that it took Volkswagen this long to create this gem, especially considering they already have the Cupra Ateca and the Audi SQ2 in their lineup. But here we are, and it looks like they have hit the bullseye by transplanting all the important bits from the beloved Golf R. Now let's just talk about its features and performance. Under the hood, the T-Roc R boasts the same 2.0-liter turbo engine, producing an impressive 296 bhp and 290 feet of torque, paired with familiar 7-speed DSG gearbox and the reliable 4-motion all-wheel drive system. This crossover means business on the road. If we talk about its visual appearance, visually the T-Roc R has received some style tweaks with redesigned bumpers, a new rear diffuser and a fresh daytime running lights up front. Sitting 20 mm lower than the standard model, it rocks 19 inches Pretoria wheels, giving it a sporty and commanding presence on the road. With its performance-oriented features and soaring popularity of crossovers in the UK, the T-Roc R is bound to be a hit among performance car enthusiasts. It's no surprising that customers are clamoring for these athletic crossover like and adventurers at the bottom of tough murder obstacles. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the fastest crossover niche. Some folks question the idea of making taller cars into performance vehicles. However, others appreciate the added practicality, especially for the family. But ultimately, they still crave an exhilarating driving experience when hitting the road solo. And then there are those who are passionate about preserving the traditional hot hatchbacks, fearing that performance SUVs will take over. No matter which side of the fence you are on, it's hard to deny that the Volkswagen T-Roc R fulfills its mission remarkably well. It excludes confidence, delivers quick and nimble performance, and provides excellent grip on the road. Although some may find interior a bit clinical and engine noise as engaging as its siblings, the Golf R, there's no doubt that this crossover deserves a spot on any shortlist for performance-oriented SUVs. Now let's just talk about its conclusion. So, after our exploration, it's clear that Volkswagen T-Roc R has struck a chord in the fastest crossover market. Its combination of power, style, practicality makes it an appealing choice for those seeking both performance and versatility in one package. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but undeniably a competent and exciting addition to Volkswagen lineup. Thanks for joining us on this adventure into world of performance crossovers. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, drive safe, stay safe.